be with you all today. A round of applause please for Nameless Kids. Ang galing nila, no? So dahil tapos na yung Nameless Kids, we go now to the segment called Hairless Adults naman. Okay ba yung transition, Orange? Anyhow, at Converge, we believe at one thing. And that is providing the fastest internet in the Philippines at the fairest value. You may ask, is this something we simply tell ourselves? I invite you to check Ookla, ChatGPT, Gemini, even Reddit. They all say the same and they confirm it. Because connectivity is no longer a luxury, it is a right. But let's not talk about Converge. Let's talk about something better. Let's talk about you, no? The people, the audience, the kids, the youth today, no? So, show of hands please, no? Who among the crowd, sorry, it's very hard to see pala, no? Who among the crowd, show of hands na lang, no? Who among you here is 25 years old? Show of hands please, 25. Where are the 25-year-olds? Okay, very good. Congratulations, no? The 25-year-olds, you guys represent, no? The average age of the Philippines. No? So ganyan po kabata ang mga Pinoys, no? We can confirm it across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We can see a lot of young adults like you, no? 25-year-olds, no? Another show of hands, please. Can I see the 25 below? 25 below. Show of hands. Taas na kamay. Very good. I can see an overwhelming majority of very young people here, no? Of course, these 25 and below, no? If 25 is the median age of the Philippines, 25 below naman, you comprise 60%. No? 60% of the whole population of the Philippines. We are a very young nation, one of the youngest nations in fact. No? So again, there is hope for the Philippines. Alright? Going back to Converge. Again, another thing that we stand for is we believe in the power of connectivity. That is why we're all here today, no? To empower you, the future of the Philippines, to limitless possibilities. Alright, now I'm gonna go on script. We want to herald, see herald, that sounds Galactus, Galactus of Fantastic Four. We want to herald a new world, a new era, a new dimension of potential. We want to celebrate you, the next generation of thinkers, creators, doers, dreamers. It is our mission to show up wherever your passions thrive. From concerts, see, there's a concert earlier, to campus tours, to sports, or to the UAAP. Have you guys met Ton, no? For those na wala pang tickets in the game tomorrow, we have UAP representatives at the back, okay? In your everyday movements, no? We follow you. Because this is your time, this is your generation, ano tawag ng generation natin ngayon? The generation alphas, right? The generation alphas, soon the betas, the Taugamas, the what say you, no? Basta, the next generation to come, we are following you. Okay? Because it is your time, and we, no? Your titos and titas of Manila, no? Are here to support you all the way. We are rooting for all of you. Because we believe it all starts with you. It all starts with X. See, there's so many X's everywhere, not just your personal X, but a lot of X's tonight. So let's all enter Dimension X, where students become leaders, creators. I can see a lot of creators here, no? Become innovators, and connections that become a powerful movement, unlocking X number of possibilities. They say the best way to predict the future is to create it today. And this is exactly what we're doing today. Again, I welcome everyone to Dimension X. Thank you very much. Good morning.